So it's time to move from this place. That heart-shaped paddy field is just too good, and we had a lot of fun here, spent some time. Madhu was hilarious. So now it's time to go ahead. So what we have ahead is a water crossing. That's what Kirtan just told me, which is my favorite stuff wherever I go. And this place has lot of rocks which kind of are a plus and a minus together. So these rocks here are completely dry and gives you good traction, but the rocks a little behind are kind of slippery, very slippery, which makes it extremely difficult for you to get any kind of traction. And the worst part is that you can't even, oh, this is a water crossing, I believe. You can't even keep your legs down, because the minute you floor your leg, it just slips. And look at this property again, very beautiful. This is like Nazre Hati Durgatna Ghati. Like you can't keep your eyes off. Wow, what was that? Alok ba, sako. Turn mar, sako. Slow. So the one where we took a turn is another trail. You can actually go there. And that road will lead you down. So what we are doing is we are keeping it for the second half of the day, because now we'll go back with the same route. We'll go back in the same route, go to the homestay and go to the main road, and you can come back here. So it will be like we've done the round circle that way. And this is the waterfalls again. And now we are descending back, and we're going back to our homestay. Let's just wait for everyone here, and then once Kirtan comes, we'll go ahead. Now it's descending time. So descending, it's pretty much straightforward. First gear, leave your clutch, use the gear power to slowly keep going, and also keep tapping every now and then whenever you feel you need the brakes, or else you keep going. Downhill, rear brake is your friend, not your front brake. Always use the rear brake, no front brake at all. Moto. Wow, look at this landscape. Look at the mountains. Beautiful. What a beautiful place, and lovely trail as well. So this is all you need to do. Keep pushing it slowly, and whenever you think you need some pace, move to the second gear, or else first gear is the trick. Endada. Even though the ground clearance of Apache isn't that much, but it will never ever disappoint you when you're doing an off-road. Maybe some places it does ground, the belly does ground, but then majority of the time, if you know how to ride this, you can easily keep riding this in any terrain. When I say any terrain, terrains like these, we normally have their own, people have their own inefficiencies, saying that, you know, these bikes don't have ground clearance and all those myths. Well, that's so wrong. You can easily take this motorcycle anywhere, and the amount of torque, the low end torque this motorcycle provides is enormous. And I keep getting these questions by a lot of people. Why don't you use a bigger bike to do such stuff? Why do you use your Apache? I would only say one thing to all those people. Someday, sometime, if you get the opportunity to ride an Apache in these kind of conditions with the kind of modifications that I've done, try it. That is, change the handlebar, upright handlebar. Also, I've installed a BMC air filter, so use that and try. You will come to know the real beauty of this motorcycle, what this is capable of, and what you can achieve in this motorcycle. That is when you will start appreciating how good this motorcycle is. And also, to make it a better performing motorcycle, I have installed Reise tires, Reise trailer tires. That also improves the performance of the motorcycle when you're doing off-road, because a combination of a good power with great tires makes it a very good motorcycle to do off-road. So I've not tuned it, I've not done any other modification barring handlebar, air filters and tires. These are the only things that I've done. not done anything else, nor I feel that I need anything to be done, because the power is sufficient to kind of handle any such tricky roads. Yeah, only thing that you would probably complain once in a while, that is once in a blue moon, is the ground clearance, which I'm comfortable. I'm totally fine with that. I do not complain on those. So I like to do whatever best I can in the given limited resources. I mean, that's how I've always lived my life. So it's never about what you can buy or do with what you don't have. It's always about what you can do with what you have. So the day you understand that, you will be the happiest person, and not only that, your skill sets also will improve. Olpote bube battadu. ఉందా? ఓకే, ನಮ್ಮ ತೀರ್ಥ ಅದು ಇರು ತುಯಿಲೆಕ್ಕಡ ಗಿರಿಮನೆ ದೋಲ ಹಾಪುನಿತ್ತಿ ನಾರನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್. ಇದು ತಿರ್ತು ಬಂದಿರ ತಿರ್ತು. ಓಕೆ. ಒಂದು ಪುದರ್ ಬೇತು ಒಂದು ಶೋಲಾ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, போய் திருத்து முங்களத்து கிரிமனை பார்த்து காரணம் திருத்து. ಭೂಬೆ ಬತ್ತೆ ಉಲೈ ಅದು ಪಿರವತ್ತು ಮೂಲ ಎದುರೇ ಒಂಜಿ ತಿರ್ತು ಬರ್ಪುಣಿಗೆ ಅವಲಾಪುಂಡು. ఉందా 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 ఉంದತ್ತದ ಒಂದು ಪಸತ್ ಬೇತೆ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಉಂಡು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗರ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಂದೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲರ ಅಂದಿ ಅಂದು ಮೂಲ್ ರೈಟಾ ಹತ್ತೋಡು ಹತ್ತು ಮೂಲತ್ತು ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಂದಿತ್ತೇರು ಅಂದು finally reached our homestay here at Kudremukh at Samse, and my GoPro died just while entering, so I could not record any footage while entering, but otherwise let me just show you a preview of this venue. Look at that beautiful view right in front of our homestay. This is the stay.